In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online tutorial, how to remove a vendor. If you need to clean up your vendor list in QuickBooks Online, this process is quick and simple. What you're actually doing in QuickBooks is marking the vendor as inactive, which removes them from your active list without requiring you to manually delete information. This is helpful when you no longer work with a supplier or service provider and want to keep your records more organized. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for your account. From that left side menu, click on Expenses. This will open the area where QuickBooks keeps track of spending-related records, including vendors. After that, select Vendors. You'll now be taken to your vendor list, where you can see all of the vendors currently stored in your QuickBooks account. Next, find the vendor you want to remove from the list. If you have a long list of vendors, take a moment to carefully identify the correct one before moving forward. This helps avoid making the wrong vendor inactive by mistake. Once you've located the correct vendor, go to the right side of that vendor's row. You'll see a drop-down arrow next to Edit or Create Bill. Click that drop-down arrow to open the available actions for that vendor. From the menu that appears, select Make Inactive. This tells QuickBooks that you no longer want this vendor to appear as an active option in your list. It's a useful way to keep old or unused vendors out of view while still preserving your historical records. After you click Make Inactive, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the action. When the confirmation window appears, click Yes, Make Inactive. As soon as you confirm, the vendor will be removed from your active vendor list. That's it. The vendor is now inactive in QuickBooks Online. If you're organizing your records, it's a good idea to review the vendor name one last time before confirming, especially if several vendors have similar names. Keeping your vendor list current can make bookkeeping faster and help reduce confusion when entering bills or reviewing expenses later on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.